everyone, Layla here from Halalela Art, and I'll be going over how I blend with my Ohuhu markers from the new Ohuhu Pastel pack. I blend most of the colors here with the same technique, which is called feathering. The feathering technique is a swift motion where you lay the nib against the paper and flick your brush nib in the direction you need. When you're blending two colors together, you're going to want to make sure you work rather quickly and make sure you interchange between your two colors frequently. So make sure you're going back and forth to get a good, seamless blend. Also remember that great blends can happen when you're using the correct paper. Here in this demonstration, I'm using a page taken from my Ohuhu sketchbook. This next color here, I use the same feathering technique, but I also add in the tip-to-tip method in order to get a really seamless blend because the two colors vary a bit in saturation and I need them to mix better together in the middle. So simply rubbing the tips together helps me achieve that look. And don't worry about ruining your marker tips by mixing ink, as a few strokes on a clean paper will get the secondary ink out and the marker's natural color will return. The great thing about the pastel pack is that the saturation difference of most colors don't vary too much, thus making it easier to blend even colors from a different color family, such as purple to pink or blue to green. That said, it's always easiest to work better blends when mixing colors from the same color family, as I do here for this demonstration. Be careful not to overwork your blend. Sometimes blends don't always come out perfect every time, and that's okay. But sometimes our dissatisfaction can lead to overworking blends. Doing so can lead to ink heavily soaking through the page or spreading out of the lines in your piece. Also, using a lighter color repeatedly in a darker area can cause the darker color to dull and look splotchy. So I hope these tips helped, and I'll see you next time.